Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another episode on TechnoBroSA. And in today's video, we're going to talk about the Xiaomi Mi 10i 5G, which was released in China previously, but this time with a different name. They're going to release the Note 9 in India and in the month of January. So in today's video, we're going to talk about the all new or rather not new Mi 10i 5G. Yes, it is a 5G phone. So without any further ado, let's get started. So before going further, I would request you to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. That will be magical. So in today's video, as I told, I will discuss about the Mi 10i 5G. So the first feature that the Note 9 had was 108 megapixel camera. Yes, 108, not 18. It's 108, which means it will compete with the S20 Ultra, which has 120 megapixel of camera. The primary camera. It's not a combined camera, but a single lens with 108 megapixel. It will have a lot of details, but the depth will be not as good as other smartphone cameras with less pixels, because it will have less HDR than any other smartphone cameras with 10, 20 or 30 megapixel, because the sensor is big and it captures more light. The next feature is it will have a 4000 mAh of battery, which is huge because it will have a 33 watt fast charging with a 6.7 inch IPS LCD display, and it will have the latest and greatest chipset offered by Snapdragon, which is the 720G, which is capable of 5G. So you don't have to worry about 5G because it will be inbuilt inside the chip and you can use it as soon as 5G rolls in India or any other country where it is going to be released. So there will be 10 lucky winners who will get the Xiaomi Mi 10i 5G. Yes, not us, but Xiaomi is giving away 10 lucky winners with the all new smartphone, or rather not so new. So that was it for today's video. If you like this video, give a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, give your suggestion in the comment section, and do not forget to share this video with your friends who are eager to buy a new phone, because it will be one of the best smartphones that is being offered by Xiaomi. So signing off for now. Bye.